Right. Yeah, no, I talked about why blockchain sucks, and it doesn't really suck. Unfortunately, some of the creators suck, which is what we're trying to solve. We're trying to figure out how to get it past this early religious war stage into something a little bit more usable. I would project it way further out. Anytime you talk to any of these blockchain guys, they always say it's great right now, but it's going to be a lot better in 10 years. And that's basically them hedging their bets, right? And anybody who's consulting in blockchain is going to be telling you that they're doing a great job right now and doing all kinds of blockchain stuff because they need more consulting cash. So that's another issue. But ultimately, it's a question of when it becomes prevalent enough to be hidden, to be behind the scenes. A lot of the best technologies disappear after a while. Linux has disappeared. We don't know that we're running Linux on our watches, but we are.
Good technology if it's
I think so.
Fully integrated.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see.
Yep.
The value there.
Every one of those guys out there, there's shipping folks. I saw some surveillance, all this other stuff. It's far better to use old technologies to make all that stuff than a blockchain technology. There's no point in really expanding out. In a little while, it will be, and that's the big deal. That's why we should keep an eye on this thing. But it's really hard to do because it's just such a silly community right now. From a financial perspective, yeah, you need regulation, but also from a programming perspective. Right now when I write an app, I can figure out if I want to do it in C#, or if I want to do it in Swift, or if I want to do it in Django, if I want to do something like that. And I just pick a framework and run with it. And I know that framework works, and the end user doesn't know what framework I'm using. It doesn't really matter. Once it becomes that easy, where I say it's either this or this, and I'm still using generally the same sort of thing, then it becomes a little more interesting.